Now students, today we class 8 students, today we are now going to discuss about the application, one of the application of electrolysis process, that is the purification of metals by electrolysis method. Now here to purify the metal we have to use a cathode. The cathode that we use should be used a pure metal strip. Cathode should be used a pure metal strip. Which metal we have to purify, that metal strip is used as pure metal strip is used as cathode, and anode is the impure metal strip of that metal, and electrolyte is the aqueous salt solution of that metal. So what we have to use, first the pure metal strip as cathode, anode the impure metal strip, and electrolyte is the aqueous salt solution of the metal. Now I give the example of purification of copper metal, and here you just see for purification of copper metal that anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery source, and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery source. Anode is impure copper strip and cathode is pure copper, and the electrolyte taken is the aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Electrolyte taken, aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Now copper sulfate in aqueous solution is dissociated as Cu2 plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. Now what happens at the cathode? From the solution, Cu2 plus ion rush towards the cathode and they accept 2 electron and deposited as copper on that pure copper strip. And at anode, from the impure copper, the copper atom releases 2 electron and come into the solution as Cu2 plus ion. Now the amount of copper ion deposited at the cathode from the solution, same amount of copper ion come into the solution from the anode. So the copper sulfate solution concentration never change, but the anode gradually decreases in volume and cathode gradually increases in volume. So the transfer of pure copper from anode transferred to the pure copper from anode, that is the impurity what is present, that impurity present inside the anode, and the pure copper only transferred to the cathode. And at the end of this electrolysis process, the anode become a muddy like substance which contain only the impurity, and pure copper all transferred to the cathode strip. Do you understand? I think you understand it. In the mate class, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the mate class. Okay, now today I am going to discuss the NCERT exercise also.